Sing a song for Mommy? Want to sing a song? Okay, sing it for Mommy. I can't hear you. I want to hear you.
Mommy, my head hurts.
You don't feel good. I'm sorry.
My arm hurts.
You just hurting all over?
Mm-hmm.
You're probably just really sleepy, aren't you?
Hey, Mommy, I want to get up that wall.
You do?
Uh-huh, I can climb.
You climb the wall?
Mm-hmm.
Would you sit up on the top?
Mm-hmm. You put me up there. Take a picture of it.
Would you sit next to those lions up there?
Uh-huh.
Do you see the orange lions? You see them? See them right there on top of the wall?
Take a picture of the wall.
Hey, see? There's the wall. There's my Emily. Hi, Emily. Who am I? Who's that?
You,
Who am I?
two,
What's my name?
two,
No, who am I? Who's that?
two,
Who's that?
you,
You. And who's that?
Daddy,
And who?
Josh, and Daddy.
Mhm.